So I have this problem. I have a USB flash drive which is supposed to be 32 gigs, well actually it's 28 gigs free, but somehow it's showing only 2 point something megabytes. So how do I fix this problem? Go into Start. Type in Run. Then type in diskpart. After that, type in list disk. And after that, you should select your disk. But be careful. You really need to pay attention to what disk you're selecting. After that, type in clean. And for some reason, it doesn't want to clean it, so I'll type in clean again. And that's it. And after that, you've restored your USB to its former capacity. And pretty much that's it. There's only one more thing to do because right now it's showing that the USB is unallocated. So go back to and type in create partition primary. And after that, it's all done. You just need to format the disk and it will start showing its true original capacity. Thank you for watching. Bye.